Let's firstly identify the junction. Now we can see a gap in the building line. We can see the giveaway markings, and if there was any traffic movement, we'd be able to see cars driving in and out of the junction. So these are some ways to help you identify a junction. We'll now apply the MSPSL routine. So we start off by easing off the accelerator. We'll check the center left door mirror and we'll signal to the left. For our positioning, we'd position either in the center of our lane or about meters from the curb, whichever keeps us closer to the curb. On this occasion, we'd remain in the center of our lane. And for our speed, as a stepping stone and a guide, we normally look at approaching a left turn like this around 10 miles per hour. So we'd reduce our speed and match our gear. For our observations, we need to be looking ahead and we need to be looking into the road that we're turning. We also need to take note of our point of turn. As you're making the turn, you need to stay reasonably close to the curb. Your driving instructor may give you a reference to help you with this. Now make sure you don't stare at the curb because you need to watch where you're going. It's important to alternate with your observation. Now what I mean by this is you need to be looking ahead, you need to look out for your point of turn, and you also need to look into the road, and you need to continue observing in these three areas. When turning into the new road, be sure to look out for any hazards preventing you from completing the turn, and look out for any meeting situations. We'll be looking at that a bit later on, and once you're in the new road, check all your mirrors and carry on.